colorful. Fempas them on you, the way you beautiful. Fempas and the other race. Like is beautiful.
My son, you are welcome. You really want to marry our daughter?
Yes, sir. I love her. Young man, according to tradition, each of our brothers will have to slap you one after the other. We need to know how strong you are. I love her. I will do anything for her. No problem. Let her come and slap me.
She has about 999 brothers.
What? 4 times? No problem. I will do it. I will do it.
The first one is Agbalagba Uwa.
Apostle, we hear of this.
Number 977. Agbalagba OTP. The last but not the least. Agbalagba Osapolo.
Jesus! You will move out of this house.
My son, the slap is not yet over. Your wife has about 1,966 step-brothers.
What? 4 times?
One of the step-brothers is even coming.
Jesus is Lord.
He's almost here.
What?